discuss to you about the muscular system. So what is muscular system? Muscular system is an organ consisting of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. So muscular system, this permits of the body to move, maintain posture, and circulates blood throughout the body. The muscular system in invertebrates are controlled the nervous system, although some muscles can be completely autonomous. So it means, in the short meaning, the muscular is responsible for the creation of movement or locomotion. So there are three types of muscular system: the skeletal, and the smooth, and the cardiac muscles. Let's start to skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are the only muscles that can be consciously controlled. They are attached to the bones, and contracting the muscles causes movement from the bones. So it means we can freely move of our skeletal muscles, or any actions that a person consciously undertakes involves the use of skeletal muscles. For examples, chewing, running, and riding, and etc. It can we can move freely by the skeletal muscles. Muscles very important to us, so that we will be able to move freely and we can talk. So let's move on to muscles. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles lines the inside of body vessels or blood vessels and organs such as stomach, and also known as a visceral muscle. Also, muscles smooth is the weakest type of the muscles, but has an essential rule to move, or the moving food along digestive tract, maintaining muscles circulation through the muscles. So the smooth muscles is very also important to us, and because our body organs digest the tract, it is also one of the important inside the blood vessels, where the organs and stomach, also known as a visceral muscle. Okay, let's proceed to the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscle is involuntarily connects us to the rate of our heartbeat. It is also connects us what the message from, and it also the what is the heart rate contractions, and it's being involved by skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. So these three parts of muscular system is very important to us, so that we can do something ourselves with the parts of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. It is three parts of muscular is very important to us. We can freely move, we can run, we can talk, we can do something and anything. And it is also very important to us to understand what is the essence of muscular system. Muscular means from the word muscles in our body parts that we can um, do, that we can make ourselves confident, we can move, we can talk, we can freely enjoy ourselves, that we have a muscles in muscular system. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Aldaba. Skeletal muscles are the only muscle that can be consciously controlled. They are attached to bones and contracting The muscle causes movement of the bones. For example of such activities including writing, chewing, and running. While smooth muscles lies that inside the blood vessels and organs, such as stomach, and is also known as visceral muscle. It also the weakest type of muscle plays an essential role in moving food along the digestive tract and maintaining blood circulation through the blood vessel. There are 11 main functions of the muscular system: mobility, stability, posture, circulation, respiration, digestion, urination, childbirth, vision, organ protection, and lastly, temperature regulation. Mobility, the smaller skeletal muscles, are usually responsible for this type of action. Most muscle movement of the body is under conscious control. However, some movements are reflexive, such as withdrawing a heart from a source of heat. Stability, muscle tendons stretch over joints and contribute to joint stability. Muscle tendons in the knee joint and the shoulder joint are crucial in stability. Posture, skeletal muscles help keeping the body in the correct position when someone is sitting or standing. Good posture relies on a strong, flexible muscles. Stiff, weak, or tight muscles contribute to poor posture and misalignment of the body. Circulation. The heart is a muscle that pumps blood throughout the body. The movement of the heart is outside of conscious control and it contracts automatically when stimulated by electrical signal. Respiration. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle located below the lungs. When the diaphragm contracts, it pushes downwards, causing the chest cavity to get bigger. The lungs will then fill with air. When the diaphragm muscles relaxes, it pushes air out of the lungs. Digestion. The digestive food moves from the stomach to the intestine and by peristalsis. From here, more muscles contract to pass the food out of the body as stool. Urination. The urinary system boosts smooth and skeletal muscles, including those in the bladder, kidneys, penis or vagina, ureter, prostate, and urethra. The muscles and nerve must work together to hold and release urine from the bladder. Childbirth. Smooth muscles in the uterus expand and contract during childbirth. These movements push the baby through the vagina. Also, the pelvic floor muscles help to guide the baby's head down the birth canal. Vision. 6 skeletal muscles around the eye control its movements. These muscles work quickly and precisely and allow the eye to maintain a stable image, scan the surrounding area, track moving objects. Organ protection. Muscles in the torso protect the internal organs at the front, sides, and the back of the body. The bones of the spine and the ribs provide further protection. Temperature regulation. Maintaining normal body temperature is an important function of the muscular system. Almost 85% of the heat a person generates in their body comes from contracting muscles.